to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind. Feels so nice.
Hi guys, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you just happen to be browsing and you ran into my channel, please like and subscribe. And to all my FK gang, welcome back. Alright guys, today I'm standing in solidarity. As you know, on Fergie's channel, we give a lot of love. So I'm standing up for my Asian community. Alright? So there you have it. God is love, and we have to love each other. Today I'll be making a Asian recipe. I'm making TSO'S tofu. So for this recipe, you need an extra firm tofu. All right. So here's my tofu that I'm pressing. You have to press it with paper towel or just towel from your kitchen. And this is all my ingredients. So guys, as I go, I will tell you all my ingredients individually, but you can just run through it in the meantime, all right? So I'll see you guys uno momento. Guys, so I've been pressing my tofu. How you press your tofu, you can just use paper towel or your kitchen towel, and you wrap your tofu. And you just put like a heavy skillet. After wrapping it in a paper towel, put a heavy skillet on top of the plate and let it sit there for like maybe 15 minutes to get all the water out. So I've been pressing, this is my second set of paper towels. You do the sides also, make sure it's nicely pressed with no liquid, all right? Now we're gonna cut up our tofu. So guys, the center part of the tofu feels a little bit more damp. So I'm just drying it all out. And make sure all the tofu sizes are the same. Okay guys, to this I'm gonna add a pinch of cayenne pepper and about a tablespoon of sesame seed oil and 3/4 of a tablespoon of maple syrup. So this is nicely mixed, and I'm gonna put this aside. Okay guys, with a 1/2 cup of vegetable stock, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of sesame seed oil. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. I hope I say that right. Or 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Soy sauce I'm using is low sodium, guys. Light. To this I'm gonna add a half a tablespoon of onion powder, and a 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. And by the way, to the tofu here, I'm gonna add another 1/2 tablespoon to the tofu itself, all right? And about a teaspoon of coconut sugar. Make sure you shake this up, guys, after you put the cornstarch in it. So I'm gonna whisk this together. Guys, to this, you should add some salt. I'm gonna use some garlic salt. I'm just gonna put a pinch and also some black pepper. And I'll show you my next step in a minute. Okay guys, it's about a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. We're going to brown the tofu for a few minutes, maybe 5 to 7 minutes, all right? Okay, guys, I'm removing my tofu. Now with a teaspoon of sesame seed oil, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger and about 1.5 teaspoons of pressed garlic. For this guy, I'm going to add a pinch of crushed pepper. You can use chili pepper to replace your red pepper. And I'm going to add my sauce. Okay guys, I'm gonna let that saute for another 3 to 4 minutes. So my FK gang, I'm at the end of another segment. And I know this segment, I probably lost a lot of subscribers for standing up for my crew, but that's okay. It's okay. It's all about loving Fergie's Kitchen. So guys, I'm here to present my tossed tofu. And I hope you guys enjoy. One love, my Asian crew. You know we're going to do cookies today. You know we're going to do that today. Let's do it before I say my scripture. All right. So let's see my fortune cookie number for today. Guys, can you please send me a good number? Please. All right. For today's number, guys, don't tell me that I need my glasses. Okay. The objects of your desire comes closer. Your lucky number today is 1, 40, 39, 20, 11, and 9. And you know we feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul. So today's scripture is coming from John 13, verse 34. A new command I give you. Love one another as I loved you. So you must love one another. Simple. Love one another. From Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, it's never too late and you're never too old to become better. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.